I came here, I had no prior work experience related to manufacturing whatsoever. I came here and started out on the XLP line. Now I'm in the warehouse, but I learned all that and was able to do it confidently, any job on the line.
The best part of working in Armacell is the teamwork. I work with a team every day, and it's a good overall effort. Everybody tries to pitch in the best they can. I was shy, but that didn't stop all the Armacell employees pushing me out of my shell. They would make it an effort to come and talk to me and involve me into more projects, and I've grown overall with the team here.
I've had quite a few mentors, anywhere from my direct supervisor on the line all the way up to the plant manager. They truly treat you like family.
Here at Spencer, we have an acclimation period for our new employees. So they get to shadow a veteran employee and get accustomed to the culture and the job before they actually have to do any work. We give them all the tools they need to be successful and the time that they need to be successful in the job. We don't throw anybody to the wolves.
Management's great. They support you. They'll listen to any problems you got, and they'll work hard to fix it.
The management here is always supporting me. They've always been nice to me, always been great to me.
My whole family works here. They've always gave my family opportunities at Armacell. They gave me plenty of opportunities in the year and a half here. They just keep trying to get me to move up, and I plan on doing that.
Continuous improvement definitely plays a role for myself here in Spencer. We're always wanting to redevelop, something new. If we can make it better or continue something to make it even easier for the workers, I think it really helps us.
Here at Spencer, we've got 2 facilities, and a positive change is that we're moving to the newer facility, and the new facility is much more larger and much more quieter and much more convenient for us guys.
Armacell is a good place to work. They work all the time on new products, improving their quality, and keeping us going. The safety is a big thing. If you're safe at work, then you want to come to work.
I honestly don't see myself leaving Armacell. I want to continue to grow within Armacell.
I plan on staying here a long time. My family's worked here a while, and I plan on just following in the footsteps of everyone else.
I'm getting close to retirement age, but I'd say I'll probably go past that. Been here 41 years. I've had a lot of good days, and I expect a lot more of them.